Hi everybody, welcome to Khong Driving, and for today's forecast it's going to rain. Why is it going to rain, you might want to ask? Well, that's because I'm going to wash the car. Okay, why am I going to wash the car today? Is because we're going to try out this Armor All Speed Shine Wash and Wax. It says it cleans, shines and protects in one easy step. It waxes as you wash. So it says here, rinse car to remove excess dirt and grime. Number 2, pour 3 caps of Armor All Wash and Wax into bucket and mix with water. Number 3, wash car in sections with a sponge, mitt or towel. If your car is heavily soiled, wash in smaller sections at a time. Rinse car immediately and thoroughly with water. Then dry with soft cloth. Okay, for best results, use on a cool surface away from direct sunlight or with cold water. I have the cold water. So we are in the sun, and let's take a look at the car first. And to save you time, I'm not going to spend half an hour washing the whole car. We're just going to wash the front section. Okay, let's take a look at the dirt beforehand. Okay, we are on the monopod, and you can see here the car is quite dirty. There's a bit of dirt. Now this car has been generally kept quite well, but it's been out in the sun for about a couple of weeks, and there's lots of dirt on the bonnet. So taking a closer look, yeah, I'm going to go as close as possible. You can see the watermarks. I hope you can see them, but it's actually in quite dirty condition. So it says we have to rinse before we wash, so that's what we're going to do. Okay, here's another view of the bonnet. I hope you can see the dirt there that's on the bonnet, and out there you see lots and lots of dirt, but down underneath the paint is still good. Yeah, well, the steps seem easy enough, so let's see whether we can get this thing done without any problem. Okay, so it says rinse the car first, and of course when you wash the car you have to actually use a lot of water to rinse off all the dirt as much as possible. And we're going to use a mitten. So like I said, we're just going to concentrate on the bonnet of the car. And this mitten game, oh, look at it, so dirty. Yeah, there's a lot of dirt, but we just have to get rid of the dirt. Okay, this is sort of like the pre-wash. Oh, there's the dirt already, some dirt. And so we have got some of the dirt off, and we're going to put in some wash and wax in the bucket. So the bucket is here. Shake the bottle. 3 caps. 1, 2, 3. Okay. They didn't say what size the bucket, but well, the more concentrated it is, the better lah. Agitate. Normally there's enough to soap the entire car, but well, I put in about, that's maybe about 2 liters of water. And so what we are going to do, oh, there's 2 sides of the sponge. We're going to soap. Generously, of course. We are trying out this wash and wax. Somebody's doing renovation the other side. Okay, never mind. So this is supposed to be wash and wax. fantastic timing. But never mind, let's try to get through this. And okay, so here is the wash and wax, and there's a bit of dirt, additional one, which I'm going to rub a bit harder because it looked like bird poo. Yes, there's some very stubborn bird poo. Wonder what kind of bird has white shit. But it's like stuck to the pin. Okay, I'm going to try to get it out. Okay, it's out. Okay, so what we're going to do now, after we have soaped it, it's supposed to have laid a layer of wax, and we're going to wipe it dry after we rinse it. Wow, that was a very stubborn bird poo. And some stone chips. Oh my God. Never noticed there were so many stone chips on the car. Okay, next we're gonna wipe it. We have a very nice and clean cloth, and we are wiping the car dry. Okay guys, that's the bonnet all washed, and supposedly a thin layer of wax is on it. And so now we're going to do a water test. Yes, the water beads. That was the Armor All Speed Shine Wash and Wax, a single application that washes and waxes your car at the same time. This is one easy way to maintain your car paint. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.